Got all the trill parts, the brass parts, the I forget what cover it is. It might be the RC line cover, diff covers, RCAWD bumpers, LEDs. I have more LEDs coming for it. All these aluminum link parts. I think they're a GPM or GMP.
I don't know if they make that.
And here we go, the Injora. They're in the whatever that is. Yeah, they're Injora diff covers. But trill, got the trill 5+ extensions, all 4 corners. Full rear bumper, new body.
This was the Defender at first, right?
Was the Defender at first. Got the KYX rear bumper with the hitch.
I replaced.
But yeah, there she is, bud. B-locker wheels, Injora B-locker wheels. The big 2.2s, 145 millimeter, I think.
Big wheels.
Big boys. Got the high torque turbo.
What you put in there?
I got one off Amazon. I forget which one it is. The
Stronger though.
yeah, that one. It's decent.
Okay. What motor?
Fusion 1800 kV, the Hobby Wing, 2-in-1.
And this used to be a brand new Defender.
Was a brand new,
like a few days ago.
like a week ago. Yeah, right in the mall.
First challenge.
First challenge? Oh
All
yeah.
up and started with it without tipping.
I like these graps that I got, but I think I'm gonna change the tires right now. Yeah, this is
Got him.
Yes.
Too tall. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Screw that. That's like, you gotta have the hand for that.
Yeah. Oh, dang. Good one.